Presented here is the very simplest fundamental diagram of a cascade system for the purpose of regenerating and purifying various mineral oils and virtually any other petroleum-based products. Let's assume that the original product is located in this barrel. It is highly desirable that the water in the sample has fully settled and clarified, and that the amount of free or emulsified water present in the liquid is minimal. Water is undesirable in the regeneration process because a wet adsorbent stops contacting the product being purified and accordingly has no effect on it. Therefore, water should be removed as much as possible. So let's assume that here the water has already settled and been removed. There is still a certain amount left, about a few percent, possibly present in emulsified form, but only in a small quantity. Free water is present, and to remove water from the original product, we use a mobile oil station, which effectively removes water using a coalescing filter. At the same time, mechanical impurities are removed by a mechanical filter. And in this tank, we have an intermediate product that has been freed from water, and it serves as the starting material for the regeneration process. We carry out regeneration on a machine of the SMM6R type. It contains 6 regeneration columns filled with sorbent. As the product passes through the sorbent, it is purified. Well, the machine is capable of taking the product and, after purification, returning it to the clean product tank. So, in short, this is what the simplest scheme of the preparation for regeneration and the actual regeneration process of the product looks like.